about when you spoke to people about the HEAR2 study and what they said to you?
Well, first of all, when I had the chance, first of all, I worked voluntarily with a lot of organizations for helping asylum seekers and refugees over the years. So when I was always looking for an opportunity to help my community to improve, especially when you try to help people to deliver their voice, to deliver the struggles they see and experience through asylum seeker and refugee journey. It's very hard. So when I heard about this opportunity of the HEAR research, I bugged the team to So the interpretation, it was a really big it's something make it a remarkable for others to show that somebody cares about them and they want to improve the experience of the other people who are coming over to the UK and being like they're improving the language barrier and make it easier from the NHS part and the people the patient who are being using the translation services. So in this way, people are feeling the blessing that somebody is here who cares about them, who have the job, who have the skills, who have the high degrees, who chose to be in this platform for the sake of helping the asylum seekers and refugees. So it is a really awarding and incredibly beneficial to each parties and making it we're gonna make from this study, the community is gonna become a better and also for the future generation. I'm looking for the other studies, the HEAR2, HEAR3, HEAR4, HEAR5, we're gonna come up to with and to make the world a better place. Basically, this is our dream.
Yeah, and I'm so pleased that you joined the study, and we had 16 peer researchers in the HEAR2 study who helped us collect the questionnaires. We trained them to sort of around ethics, safeguarding, trained them how to collect the questionnaires, and having that, how to talk to people as well. So one of our other peer researchers mentioned that when he first was approached to do this role, he was a bit nervous, thinking, oh, can he speak to people? Will people listen to him? Would he have the skills to explain the questions to the peer research and to the participants who are completing the questionnaire? And I'm sure he did a fantastic job, because now he is actually working in Swansea University as a data analyst. So he did have the skills, but I think being involved gives you the confidence and the skills to sort of, understand that you can actually achieve and you can do good, and there's good people around us to help everyone. You're not isolated. I think that's the challenge, isn't it? Reducing the isolation. And that's what being involved in research means.
And also you are interacting with people, and especially it was the period where the lockdown happened.
Yes.
So it is like a really great movement we made with people, and it's also like there were vouchers being sent to the the participants. So it was really, especially if you're a asylum refugee, the vouchers were really helpful and made their children very happy in that day. Thank you.
Yes, I'm glad the research achieved